What if you could go to sleep, and while you are dreaming, an AI is browsing the live internet, finding the exact trading strategies of the top 1%, writing the Python code, and backtesting them on your own dashboard? And here is the craziest part. If a strategy fails, the AI doesn't stop or ask for help. It literally deletes the bad code, goes back to Google, researches a completely new strategy, and runs another test. It runs this infinite autonomous loop until it hits your exact profit targets. It sounds illegal, but watch my screen. It's happening right now. But let me warn you immediately. Do not skip a single second of this video. Do not fast forward. If you skip the setup phase I am about to show you, this AI will hallucinate. It will confidently write broken, toxic code that will literally blow up your entire trading account when you take it live. You absolutely cannot afford to miss the exact configuration steps coming up. Until today, an autonomous AI agent this smart would cost you over $200 a month, but Google's new free Antigravity IDE does this for exactly $0. However, this AI is completely brain dead and useless without the secret sauce file I'm going to reveal in the next 60 seconds. If you miss where I put this one file, none of this will work for you. Welcome to Power of Trading. Manual backtesting is officially dead. I'm about to give you the exact God mode setup that forces the AI to build your trading empire and self-correct its own errors while you sleep. Missing this is financial suicide. Let's build your bot. First off, I am not going to waste your time showing you how to download Antigravity. It's a free Google tool. Just search it and install it. We're skipping the boring stuff. Once you open it up, start a new folder. But listen to me carefully. Do not click anywhere else yet. Look at the right side of the screen. You have to select Planning Mode and choose the Gemini 3.1 Pro model. If you leave it on the basic AI, it won't be smart enough to search the web or write the code we need, and your whole setup is going to fail before it even starts. Now, let's build our auto trading setup. Do not skip this part, and do not try to write this prompt yourself. I am giving the AI a very specific, super safe prompt. Look closely. I am telling it to check my computer for Python first with a strict rule. If Python is missing, stop immediately. If you miss this exact line, the AI will try to force the installation, download the wrong files, and it will completely mess up your PC. Watch how my prompt makes it create a safe little bubble so your computer stays 100% protected. I hit enter, and my hands are completely off the keyboard. Watch the terminal at the bottom. The AI is checking my system and installing the whole trading software all by itself. But stop right here. Do not fast forward. As soon as this finishes downloading, 99% of people make a huge mistake. They immediately ask the AI to build a trading bot. If you do that, the AI will just guess. It will make up fake broken code that will literally burn your real money in the live market. To stop that from happening, we need the secret sauce file. Now, this whole setup process is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes, and that is completely normal. The AI is doing all the heavy lifting right now. It is checking your system, downloading Python if you need it, building safe folders, and installing the entire Jesse trading software from scratch. I'm going to fast forward this, but pay very close attention. All right, look at the screen. The AI absolutely nailed it. It successfully installed the framework and built our auto trading folder. Let's launch the dashboard. I type Jesse run, I hit enter, and boom, a massive wall of red text, a fatal error. Now, this is the exact graveyard where 99% of beginners completely give up. The system is crashing because Windows is missing a specific background database called Redis. But listen to me. Do not go to Google and try to fix this manually. If you mess with your system files, you are going to break your PC. We are not coders. We are the boss. We are going to make the AI fix its own mess. Watch this magic. I paste this exact prompt, which is down in the description. I am literally telling the AI, hey, I am on Windows and I'm getting a Redis connection error. Read your own terminal and set up a Windows version of Redis for me. In less than 15 seconds, the AI reads the terminal, bypasses the Windows block, and sets up the database perfectly all by itself. And just like that, the Redis error is gone, and our private trading dashboard is officially live on the browser. But do not celebrate yet, and do not skip the next 30 seconds. All right, the dashboard is running, and if you look at the left side of the screen, the AI built all the database folders perfectly. But wait, we are missing the most important piece of the puzzle, the brain. Right now, your AI has no idea how to actually write trading code. Inside the Jesse bot folder, I'm creating a brand new file and I'm naming it exactly agents.md, all lowercase. All right, the setup is done. Now it is time for the ultimate test. I have put together a very simple strategy prompt. It is nothing crazy or overly complicated, just a basic setup, but I made sure to include all the absolute necessities you need for a real trade. I am giving it the exact entry conditions, the exit rules, and most importantly, the stop loss and take profit targets so we actually protect our capital. Let's feed this simple script into Antigravity right now. Hit enter and see exactly what it builds for us. All right, the test just finished, but listen to me very carefully right now. Look at me. This was purely a test. We spent all this time setting up the framework, fixing the database errors, and injecting the rules just to see if the machine works and how it executes our commands. And it works perfectly. Now, I can literally turn to Antigravity and say, run 100 different backtests, tweak the settings every single time, and do not stop until you find the absolute best, most profitable result. And the AI will do all of that heavy lifting while I sleep. That is the true power of what we just built. Listen to me closely. Listen to me closely. Right now, my team and I are grinding in the lab to build the ultimate God prompt. We are about to give Antigravity the biggest challenge of its life by forcing it to trade with the exact same strict data that elite, high payout funded traders use. We are hard-coding these exact rules into the machine. Profit factor. Set above 2.5. For every dollar it risks, it must target $2.5 in profit. Win-loss duration. It is forced to cut losing trades in minutes, but hold winning trades for hours. Quality over quantity, no overtrading. It will only execute ultra-high probability A+ setups. Follow the trend. It is strictly banned from counter trading. It only rides the major momentum. Limited pairs. We are shutting out the noise and forcing it to master just one specific high-volume asset. When to trade, it will only execute during peak volume hours, like the New York overlap. Win percentage. With this math, we don't even need a high win rate. It will print money even at 40%. Execution and risk management. Zero emotion, sniper entries, and a hard lock of maximum 1% risk per trade. In the next video, I'm going to drop this exact God prompt and run this massive challenge live. But here is the deal. I need 1,000 likes on this video right now. Hit that new hype button down below. Share this with your trading group and type the word trading automation in the comments so I know who the real action takers are. Hit subscribe and I will see you in the next one.